What is Basaglar, Insulin Glargine? Basaglar, also known by its generic name Insulin Glargine, is a long-acting insulin designed to help manage blood sugar levels in both adults and children with type 1 diabetes and adults with type 2 diabetes. It is administered as a subcutaneous injection once daily, providing a steady level of insulin throughout the day and night. Your healthcare provider will determine your Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, dose based on several factors, including your diet, lifestyle, blood sugar readings, and treatment goals. Basaglar is available in two forms. Basaglar Quick Pen, a pre-filled insulin delivery pen for convenient use. Basaglar Tempo Pen, a smart insulin pen that connects to a smartphone to track doses and support better diabetes management. Like all insulin medications, Basaglar may cause side effects such as hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, or mild injection site reactions like pain, redness, or swelling. What is Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, used for? Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is approved for treating type 1 diabetes in children aged 6 years and older and adults, managing type 2 diabetes in adults who require long-acting insulin for blood sugar control. It is often prescribed when other medications alone are not sufficient to maintain stable blood glucose levels throughout the day. How Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, works. Basaglar contains insulin glargine, a synthetic form of the hormone insulin, which plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. After you eat, insulin helps your body absorb and store glucose, sugar, from the bloodstream and prevents your liver from producing excess glucose. In individuals with type 1 diabetes, the body does not produce insulin at all, while in type 2 diabetes, the body either doesn't make enough insulin or cannot use it effectively. Basaglar provides a steady and continuous release of insulin, helping to control blood sugar levels between meals and overnight. By maintaining consistent insulin levels, Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, supports better long-term glucose control, reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications such as nerve damage, kidney problems, and cardiovascular disease. What are the side effects of Basaglar, Insulin Glargine? Like all medications, Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, can cause side effects. Most of these are mild and may improve as your body adjusts to the insulin. However, it's important to let your healthcare provider know if symptoms persist or become more severe over time. Common side effects. These are side effects that may occur in some people using Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. Infection occurs in up to 24% of patients. Common cold, nasopharyngitis, up to 16%. Respiratory tract infection, up to 8%. These mild effects are often temporary, but report any unusual or persistent symptoms to your healthcare provider. Other side effects. Some users may experience other effects related to insulin use, including low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, weight gain, injection site reactions, such as redness, swelling, or itching, fluid retention or swelling, skin changes at injection sites, including fat buildup, lipohypertrophy, or skin indentations, lipoatrophy. These effects are generally manageable with proper injection technique and blood sugar monitoring. Serious side effects. Contact your healthcare provider immediately if you experience any of the following serious side effects. Severely low blood sugar. Symptoms may include dizziness, shakiness, confusion, irritability, fainting, sweating, extreme hunger, or difficulty thinking clearly. Dangerously low potassium levels. Hypokalemia warning signs include weakness, muscle cramps or twitching, constipation, irregular heartbeat, fatigue, or shortness of breath. Severe allergic reaction. Seek emergency care if you experience rash, hives, swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, or difficulty breathing. Serious reactions are rare but require prompt medical attention. Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. Dosage forms and cost. Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is available in two main delivery systems. Basaglar Quick Pen, a pre-filled insulin pen containing 100 units or ml. Basaglar Tempo Pen, a smart insulin pen that connects to a mobile app for dose tracking. Each carton typically contains 5 3 ml pens. The average cost for 1 carton of Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is approximately $261.53 with a GoodRx coupon, a 34% discount off the average retail price of $396.76. Basaglar Quick Pen, 5 3 ml pens of 100 units or ml, around $261.53 per carton. Basaglar Tempo Pen, 5 3 ml pens of 100 units or ml, around $337.44 per carton. Prices can vary depending on location, insurance coverage, and pharmacy discounts. Typical dosing for Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. The appropriate Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, dosage is individualized for each person. Your healthcare provider will determine your dose based on several key factors, including whether you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, your blood sugar readings, body weight, and whether you're also using other types of insulin. Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is injected once daily under the skin, ideally at the same time each day to maintain consistent blood sugar control. In some cases, your prescriber may recommend combining Basaglar with a fast-acting insulin to help manage blood sugar spikes after meals. For type 1 diabetes. In people with type 1 diabetes, the pancreas does not produce insulin. Your healthcare provider will calculate your total daily insulin, TDI, requirement, which includes both long-acting and short-acting insulin doses. A common starting dose for Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is about 30% of your total daily insulin dose, injected once daily under the skin. The remaining 70% is typically covered by rapid-acting insulin taken before meals. Over time, your care team may adjust your dose based on your blood glucose patterns, diet, and daily activity level. For type 2 diabetes. For adults with type 2 diabetes, the body may still produce insulin but cannot use it effectively. Basaglar helps maintain steady insulin levels throughout the day and night. The usual starting dose for Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, in type 2 diabetes is 0.2 units per kilogram of body weight, up to a maximum of 10 units once daily. Your provider will then adjust your dose gradually to help achieve your target fasting blood sugar levels without causing hypoglycemia. It's important to follow your care team's instructions closely and monitor your blood sugar regularly as your insulin plan is adjusted. Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, contraindications. Certain medical conditions can make Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, unsafe to use. These are known as contraindications, situations where the risks outweigh the benefits. You should not use Basaglar if any of the following apply. You have symptoms of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, such as dizziness, shakiness, confusion, sweating, or fainting. You are allergic to Insulin Glargine or any ingredient in Basaglar. You are experiencing an episode of diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. In this case, your provider will prescribe a fast-acting insulin instead. Always inform your healthcare provider about your medical history, current medications, and any allergic reactions before starting Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. This ensures your treatment plan is both effective and safe for your individual needs. Pharmacist tips for Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. Proper storage, handling, and administration are key to ensuring that Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, works safely and effectively for you. Here are essential pharmacist-approved tips to help you get the best results from your insulin therapy. How to store Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. Keep unopened Basaglar pens in the refrigerator until their expiration date. Once opened and in use, store your Basaglar pens at room temperature for up to 28 days. Do not return them to the refrigerator. Always keep your insulin pens away from direct heat, sunlight, and freezing temperatures. Monitoring your blood sugar. Ask your healthcare provider how often you should check your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Keeping a daily log of your glucose readings will help both you and your provider understand how well Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is controlling your diabetes. Bring your blood sugar log to your appointments so your care team can adjust your Basaglar dosage as needed. Recognizing and managing low blood sugar. Using Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, can sometimes cause hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. It's important that you and your caregiver know how to recognize early symptoms, which may include sweating, shakiness, hunger, anxiety or irritability. Always keep fast-acting sugar sources, such as glucose tablets, fruit juice, or regular soda, on hand to treat low blood sugar quickly. How to inject Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. Your healthcare team will train you on how to correctly administer Basaglar, Insulin Glargine. Review the instructions specific to your insulin pen, either the Basaglar Quick Pen or the Basaglar Tempo Pen, to ensure safe and accurate dosing. Contact your provider or pharmacist if you have any questions about your injection technique. Before injecting, verify that you are using the correct insulin and correct dose. Inspect the insulin in your pen. It should be clear and colorless with no visible particles or clumps. If it looks cloudy or discolored, do not use it and contact your pharmacist for a replacement. Injection sites. You can inject Basaglar into the stomach area, at least 2 inches from the belly button, thighs, buttocks, or the back of the upper arms. Rotate injection sites with each dose to help prevent skin complications like lumps or thickened areas. Avoid injecting into skin that's bruised, scarred, or damaged. Needle and pen safety. Always use a new needle for every injection to reduce the risk of infection and blocked needles. Never reuse or share needles or insulin pens with anyone else, as this can spread serious infection. Dispose of used needles and empty pens in a puncture-resistant sharps container, such as a heavy-duty plastic bottle, for example, an empty detergent container. Never throw needles or pens directly into household trash. Basaglar, Insulin Glargine, is an essential long-acting insulin that can help people with type 1 or type 2 diabetes maintain steady blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. Proper storage, injection technique, and blood sugar monitoring are vital to achieving the best results. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to HeInfo for more trusted, science-backed health education from medical professionals. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your questions about Basaglar or Insulin Glargine, and turn on notifications so you never miss new expert insights on diabetes care and other important health topics.